Namaste viewers, I'm Dr. Pratibha K.S., trained life skills coach. Today I'll be sharing with you major components of life skills. Okay, major components of life skills as per the World Health Organization, that is WHO, classified life skills into three major broad areas. Okay, they are thinking skills, social skills, and emotional skills. Okay, here you could see the diagrammatic representation of thinking skills, social skills, and emotional skills. Okay, all these three which are interconnected with each other. Okay, when you understand all these things, you can empower yourself. Okay, now let us go through the thinking skills. Okay, thinking skills includes critical thinking, creative thinking, analytical reasoning, problem solving, and decision making. Okay, these skills are essential for better dealing in all spheres of life. Okay, like personal relations. Okay, professional issues and social problems, which enable to make right decisions and avoid conflicts. Okay, so this is about thinking skills in brief. Now let us go to the next one, social skills. The major social skills are communication skills, interpersonal skills, leadership skills, management skills, cooperation, and team building skills. Okay, all these skills which come under social skills, which are very, very important in our day-to-day life. It also includes active listening and the ability to express feelings and give feedback. Okay, refusal or negotiation skills and assertiveness skills are included that directly determine one's ability to manage conflict. Okay, empathy is another important skill that helps to understand others. Cooperation and active participation in teamwork is also very, very important. Okay, tolerance, the opposing opinions, and respect for others is also included in social skills. Okay, this is all about social skills in brief. Now, let us go through the third component, that is emotional skills. Emotional skills includes understanding and being comfortable with oneself and to others, coping with emotions, self-management, coping with the stress, resolving internal conflicts, and many more are included in this particular emotional skills. Emotional skills has the power to change the attitude of the individual and thus to change the destiny of the world. Okay, so this is all about in brief about emotional skills. Okay, now let us go through the what is this life skill education. Okay, life skill education is a value added program which aims to provide students with strategies to make healthy choices that contribute to a meaningful life. It is proved that schools are playing the most important role in the emotional and social development of the individuals. Okay, if life skills are implemented through school education, we can effectively develop and sustain the mental health and social values among the students at a very higher level. It means from the beginning, we need to start this particular life skills education. Okay, life skills education is applicable to all ages of children and adolescents in school. However, it targets adolescents since young people seem to be most vulnerable and behavior related health problems. Okay, it helps adolescents to recognize their self and to understand their abilities, their skills, and their domains of development for their growth. It also helps adolescents to get along with other people and adjust to their environment and making a responsible decision. Okay, to conquer all those things, one need life skills education. The main aim of life skill education is to equip the learner to develop a concept of oneself as a person of value and dignity. Okay, it is not possible to learn life skills by mere reading of books. Okay, it should be done through practice and many other different activities and other different kind of learned activities, and this will be like an experiential learning. Okay, in life skills experiential learning is very 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 important. Now let us go through the scope of life skills education, which differs with the level of the education system. Okay, as a long-term goal of the life skills education should cover the entire education process, that is from primary school to higher education. Life skills as separate subject as well as by integrated method can be spread across the curriculum. Life skills education should be very dynamic, that can incorporate not only teacher and student but also parents, community members and organizations. Okay, organizations of different body can also participate. The program should consider the local issues that are familiar to students. Okay, there are many techniques, both qualitative and quantitative tools are developed for the evaluation of life skills education. Okay, finally, we can go through here life skills education objectives. Okay, the objective of life skill education program is to teach students how to contribute actively in various decision making and process. Okay, to resolve disputes and conflicts and to weigh up what is right and wrong, also to understand and to respect different beliefs, customs, and traditions of a multicultural world. Okay, the objective are also to understand the strength and limitations of the personality and to modify accordingly. Okay, finally, the life skills education objective also to manage emotions and sustain mental health, and also to identify diverse cultures, okay, ethnic and communities. Okay, these are the some of the objectives of the life skills education. Hope you understood today's components of life skills. Okay, make sure to stay tuned with me for next session. I, Dr. Pratibha K, is signing out for today. I'll be back with some more videos. Thank you for watching.